So it's nice to get together with your peers and learn about what's happening. We get exposed to a lot of the latest and greatest things.
You get to collaborate with like-minded individuals. So you're with other operating nurses that are in leadership roles, and no one should miss this, for sure. They all need to come.
Connecting with new people, there's so much value that you can get from this conference, and I feel like, it's worth the time, it's worth the investment, and it pays forward like so many different things because you just get so much out of it that you can apply to your practice.
If you haven't been, you need to come. And this conference this year has been exceptional.